Hey, what's up everyone? I'm finally here in LA and that was an insane drive. Took 7 hours to get down here. It's supposed to be 3 to 4 hours only, but a small stretch between Celica and Bakersfield, that took almost 2.5 hours. So that lane went from 3 lanes to 2 to 1 lane, and that took forever. Tomorrow morning, I gotta be at the car show by 7 o'clock because I wanna capture all the cars rolling in. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, good morning everyone. I'm heading towards the show right now. It's a beautiful day in Southern California. I'm glad it's not raining. The forecast said it was gonna rain, but it didn't rain today. For some reason, GPS took me on the small streets. It takes 46 minutes to get there in 24 miles. So I am finally here. Parking was kind of hard to find, so I had to park all the way over there. But I'm towards the event right now. I'm excited, you know. On the way here, I saw lots of nice, beautiful cars. So I cannot wait to see what's in there.
Oh, you know what? Can you meet they're delivering the ice this year? Can we get somebody to do? We good? I gotta make sure I do with the
All right, so it's getting packed right now. All the cars are rolling in. Definitely the sunny truck right here. How you doing, man? It's beautiful, man.
so much, man.
Are you like, how long did you have this vehicle here?
For about 5 weeks.
5 weeks?
Yeah, she's new.
She's new?
Fresh from Japan, baby.
Fresh from Japan?
Fresh
Oh,
off the boat, literally. Fresh off the boat.
fresh off the boat. FOB.
Yep.
Wow, this is nice. So this vehicle here is fresh off the boat from Japan. How long did it take you to get the car to the United States?
Shipping, honestly, on the boat only took like 2 weeks.
2 weeks and
The process to get it on the boat and get its reservation took like fucking 2 months.
2 months.
It was stressing me out because it was sitting in a customs lot outside, getting pissed on in the rain. There was like 2 tsunamis and things out there. Yeah.
How did you find this vehicle here? Did you have a broker or you knew somebody or?
I used to live in Japan.
Oh, okay.
My girlfriend Yuki is from Japan, and this is her longtime friend's truck.
Oh, okay. So it made it a little bit easier to purchase then. Huh?
Yeah, so she did an Instagram post because I've always wanted to import something. And she did an Instagram post like, anybody I know with a cool car wants to import it. And he's like, I'm just getting ready to sell it.
Oh,
if a
then.
guy in America wants to buy it, he goes, that'd be really cool. So we brokered a deal, and then
Now it's here.
just from living over there, I had a couple buddies that knew other buddies that worked in the scene.
Was it already set up like this already or what?
Yeah, everything as is how I bought it.
Okay, cool, man.
Thank you.
Nice. This is very nice, see? Yeah. Check out the interior. And are you here in Southern California or?
Yeah, I live in San Diego.
Oh, San Diego? Oh, okay, that's my hometown too.
Oh, nice, dude.
Yeah, I live in Fresno now, but San Diego was my hometown for 30 years, you know.
Nice. Yeah, so we go to San Clemente Cars and Coffee all the time.
Did you drive this from San Diego or you trailer? Oh, you drove it too?
Yeah.
Wow. How was the ride though? Was it pretty bumpy?
It was pretty good.
Pretty good?
No traffic. It was pretty good, dude.
Okay. Check out this Cresta though. This is a very boxy figure. Definitely very sick. Tight. Never thought that these old school cars would look so cool nowadays. I remember back in the days when our parents drove it, we didn't care much about it, and now, you know, everything is so cool now. You know, back in the days we were just like don't even want them. Now they're so hard to find, or you know, very expensive. So very cool. You got the Celicas. Beautiful. Some Porsche. Probably go around from the back first. Some Mazda. It's nice. All red. Definitely love the front end of this one here. Just some Star Sharks with the Toyota cap. That's cool. Stretched out Toyos. Alright guys, so I'm here with Robert and this is his Celica right here. What I admired the most was putting the Toyota cap right there on the wheels of the Star Sharks. And can you tell me a little bit about your Celicas?
Basically it's a 1975 Celica. Bought it about 4 years ago. From a guy over here in LA. Basically he was in the military for like 20 years, so stuck in a storage. I got it from him, so basically it has original paint, original interior. The only thing I did was put coilovers on it for the suspension and changed the bumpers out to smiley bumpers.
Okay.
Did the wing in the back and the
spoiler in front, huh?
You wiped down a little bit.
Oh wow, okay. Everything original, just the coilovers and wheels.
Kind of had the valve cover polished.
Oh, polishing valve cover. All right. All right. So we got the Nissan hard body. Of course, these motors comes in the 240SX as well. Got the Dragon.
Is that flagpole? Yeah.
Sprinter. Second owner. How long had this car?
16 years.
16 years? Wow.
Yeah.
Was it already fixed up like this when you had it, or?
No, it was a rust bucket. We acid dipped it.
Actually dipped it?
It's fully stitch welded. It's got
Uh-huh.
a roll cage, new paint,
And everything,
filter
huh?
seats, and like everything ground up.
Cool.
Yeah.
Looks good. Thank you. Yeah. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
I heard you from a mile away.
Oh, yeah. I know, it's loud.
Ooh, looks good, man. I love how you kept the original brown, right?
Yeah, root beer brown.
Yep.
Original color.
Yep. We got this Trueno. Woo, jeez. Check out this out. Just waiting for the tofu to get going. Man, there's so much cars to see. Got a 240C. Carbon fiber lip.
Keep getting your shot, bro. I'm like, oh, here he is.
Yeah. I need you in the shots. Some Mazda for the Pandem kit. Wow, this is nice. Celica right here. Came all the way from Merida. Definitely a nice color. He was gonna change it to gunmetal or white, but I think this color is a must stay. Must keep it like this. Really nice color. Because if it was a gunmetal color, it would have blended in with the wall and other cars in here, but then the blue definitely stands out. I just love how the one-piece window, that is so cool. Another one nice Haco right here. Pretty cool. Definitely, this is a nice garage setup. Alright guys, so if you ever want to check out this garage right here, come down to East LA, visit Auto Conduct. It's nice. Muscle car up in here too as well. We got the old school Skyline. Let's see what's behind right here. Oh, this is nice. I like how they polished the metal. Just keeping the rust on there as well. Very cool. Oh, little plexiglass separating the spoiler. That's a pretty cool idea right there. The R32. Definitely very nice. I cannot wait to have mine delivered. I cannot wait. I like how the back window doesn't have the windshield wiper. I prefer that than having a wiper in the back. I think that's one of the options, that you can have your back window replaced with no wiper, and I hope that I can do that on mine as well. So that's really cool. This is the garage where they store all the vehicles. Check out the Chevy right here. Very cool. Oh yeah, definitely one of my dream cars as well. I'd like to buy one of these and take it to, or hire Akira Nakasan to come and make it into a wide body Porsche. So that's the dream, you know, to have it done by him, put some wide body on it and have him sign it. All right, so the line is finally moving. That was a pretty long wait, but we are finally moving to the ticket booth. So, all right, so let's definitely start from the beginning, and I'm gonna show you guys these cars because it is amazing here. So we're gonna start from the beginning on the south gate, and we're gonna go to the north gate into the warehouses to check out the cars. So definitely a lot of cars to check out, so you're gonna be in for a treat today. The line was all the way around to right here, and the line is still forming. People are still getting in line right now, so it goes all the way around here to the middle where I showed you earlier, and here we are. BMW M3 3 Series. Definitely the color that I would choose if I could choose an M3. It would be the blue, this blue right here. Definitely love the Euro seats. Alright, so we got the Mazda RX-2. Definitely really clean. I just love how they put these one piece. When the window rolls down, it looks like it's one piece, and I just love it, you know. Check out the hard top. Little steering wheel. Definitely really nice. I love the bright orange with the Epsilon wheels, and definitely carbon fiber hood. Really nice. I love this color here. And then we got the MK3, the ice blue. Another BMW. Let's see. And then we got a Bluebird 2-door SSS Bluebird. Really nice. Really cool. Love this color too as well. Almost like a tan color. And then we got RX-7. Really in stock form, perfect condition. Lots of people here today. Lots of people. And definitely, let's go back over here. Check out this 280ZX. Definitely everything is pretty much original. I can see the paint on there is, there's some lowers that sparkle interior, and this one smells really clean too. It smells really nice in here. Check out that color right there, really nice. Little flakes. And then we got the old school Honda CVCC. All right, so I'm here with Adam, and this is his Honda CVCC. What year is this, Adam?
75.
75.
I bought it from the original owner. I'm the second owner.
Okay.
I had it sitting in his backyard for 26 years.
Okay.
Under a little tarp. So I met him one day and offered to, we wanted to sell it. And he said no. And then a year later he called us back and we picked it up for $900.
$900. And did you do any upgrade or modification to it since you owned it?
So the engine was shot and it's a 75, so I was like, okay, I'll go a little crazy with it. So I put just an 83 Honda Accord motor. It's another CVCC engine, but it's same block, so it just bolted in. We didn't have to work onto it.
Okay. Is this car here you daily, or you just show for show only?
Just for show. I take it out on the weekends and a little bit around, and every year I've been trying to upgrade things a little bit here and there.
Are you here in SoCal or San Diego or?
Here in Southern California.
Southern California as well? Okay, cool. Is this your only show car you have, or you have other cars in the works as well?
Just this car.
Just this car only?
First project, learning how to do cars from this.
Everything, that's cool, man. So what's one thing that you like about this car?
I like it's that you get more of the conversation at every car meets, because everybody had this. Just like now everybody has like a beat up 90s, 2000 Civic. Yeah. Everyone growing up had these in the 70s and 80s. And just like Civics now, when you're done, kind of throw them away. Yeah. So every time I go to car shows, people are like, oh, I had this, or this is the first car I learned manual, or I grew up in this car. So it's more of a conversation piece, which makes it fun to take around local cars and coffees, or just driving on the street and getting honks like I drove this in high school and stuff.
So they give it thumbs up, huh? Yeah. Kind of do like a K-swap in the future, or?
No, I'm trying to keep it to period. So I got 13-inch wheels from a Accord, because they're kind of separate bolt patterns, or 4x120, which is only for like most first and second, first gen Civics and Accords. Okay. But I'm trying to find a Canadian head. So on the Accord engine, it's a 1.8 liter, but it has a CVCC in the head, so it kind of robs some of the power. So the goal is to find like a Canadian 1.6 head. Okay. Kind of do like a hybrid one.
All right, Adam. Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.
Yep. Check out that. Check out the wheel here. The old school Cresta, the cushions. How you doing, man? This is your ride right here?
Yeah.
What's your name, bro?
Dwayne.
Blaine?
Dwayne.
Dwayne.
Yeah,
all right, Dwayne. So tell me about your Cresta out here.
79.
79?
Yeah.
Are you like second owner, third owner, or how did you obtain this?
Second owner.
Second
Came
owner.
from an old lady in Vegas. Sat in her garage for a few years after her husband passed away. So I bought it from the person that brought it from her.
Okay.
So all stock, everything that you see now, I've done.
So what inspired you to build it the way how it looks like right now?
Time and learning, like just experience and seeing a lot of other people's work. You know what I mean? Like, kind of dive into this JDM thing, and you learn along the way. Like at first, it didn't look anything like this. It took time. And, doing stuff like this, coming to events and meeting people. Okay. I learned little things here and there. So.
Is this your only project, or you have other projects as well?
It is now.
It is now.
So I've had a couple drift cars. So I'm getting rid of those, just so I can focus on this.
Okay. So I see you wearing a Love 20B shirt.
Oh yeah. They built the wheels.
Built the wheels for you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yep, they did a great job.
Yeah. Love 20B. All right. So what's one thing that you love about this car here?
What's one thing?
What's one thing you love about
it? I gotta pick one thing?
Pick one thing only.
Yeah. That's tough, man.
That's tough, yeah.
Can I just put it all as a collective?
Yeah, I guess. For you,
everything,
I guess.
Man.
Everything.
Probably the crushed velour. I mean,
it's just the looks, huh?
Yeah, everything.
So
that's tough. You can't just pick one thing.
Everything's one word, so everything.
Yeah, right. So I think after next weekend, the 4M is gonna come out.
Oh, okay.
Jay-Z in here.
Wow. Are you located here in SoCal or?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll definitely see this at Toyota Fest, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Well, if it's done by then.
May 20th, so yeah, like about a few months, huh?
Yeah.
If not, then JCCS for sure, right?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, sounds good.
JCCS.
All right, cool. Then I'll definitely check this out next time then.
Cool.
All right, thanks for Dwayne, right?
Yep.
Right, cool. All right, cool little BMW TI, little Golf with the VR16. Very cool. And then we got the Dragon with the 1UZ. This was on Larry Chen's channel, so if you want more information about this car here, be sure to go watch Larry Chen's interview with the owner. So, yep. And this is one thing that I'm missing right here, this emblem right here. So if you have this emblem somewhere, please leave me a comment. I need the emblem. I'm just missing the emblem on my Celica. So if you have this emblem right here, be sure to hit me up and let me know. I'll buy it off of you. Or you can give it to me. That'd be nice. Definitely gonna get one of these in my garage someday. I just love these body style. It's convertible, especially when the tops drop. Really nice. Definitely one of my dream cars as well. I have so many dream cars. We got this Mitsubishi tuned by AMG. Check that out. Look at that interior. Right-hand drive. Pretty nice. Definitely, man, I can't stop looking at this Porsche right here. Never really pay attention to it. Man, I love it. All right, let's go here. Red Celica fastback. Little RX-7. Really nice. 240Z with a 128 motor.
It's
Turbo. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Intercoolers right there. Fuel pressure gauge, intake, turbos in it. This is the setup that I would like to set up my 240. Just basically keeping it stock, but with the triple tree on it. This is definitely what I want to do. Maybe this year, I'll probably take it back to Joe Harmon in Las Vegas and have mine set up like this. So definitely something like this would be nice for my 240. Another BMW. The Celica that I like this morning. Corolla.
We want to thank you guys for showing up, supporting this grassroots movement. We are not professionals at this, and you guys are the ones that truly made this. The feeling you got right now is because all you guys that are here. So I'm gonna just keep it like that. Thank all you guys for coming out.
All right, I'm here with Jason, and this is his 240Z.
Actually, the second owner.
Second owner.
So I actually found it on Craigslist. I bought it from the grandson of the original owner. So it had been sitting for a lot of years, but it had no rust and it was a straight frame. So
When you bought it, was it stock or was it custom
it
ready?
was mostly stock, but there was someone in the original owner had swapped it to an L28.
Okay.
I'm actually gonna keep it all NA. I want to
More reliable, huh?
yeah, and I want to do a full like stroker kit, like a board out a little bit. And so I want to do a full NA build. No, it's not my daily. I tried to at first, and then I realized that it wasn't gonna work, so I bought another car.
Well, nice to meet you, Jason.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
All right, man. Thank you, man. Definitely love the little red sticker right here. Pretty sick. I'll have to give myself a carbon wing too. Custom made right here. It's a one of a kind, huh? Alright, so let's go to the next spot right here. Definitely. Very nice, very nice. Porsches. And there's a Celica. Man, what motor is this? It's the Toyota. $1975 Celica. Mazda rotary. Alright guys, so I'm here at the Vintage Japanese Motorunion show.
I'm one of the men, Savant Young Man, representing Vintage Japanese Motorunion. This is 2023. This is our New Year's party. We missed New Year's because of the rain. We didn't get no rain today, but we got good people, good vibes, good energy. And cheers.
Alright, cheers, man. John, right? Yeah. John Nagari?
Yeah.
Civic Street?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the guy that we grew up reading all the Civic Street magazine. I have all his Civic Street when he was editorial. Yes. And this is the guy right here. Woo. The man, the legend. Before Jonathan won, huh? Yeah. Yeah, so back when I was in high school and college, John was the editorial for Civic Street, and I enjoy all his magazines. So it's been a minute since I see John, but here he is. So alright, cool. Yep. Alright guys, so I am here with the top rank. So doing good. So you say you sold the 400R, right?
Yeah, 400R is sold and delivered to the customer. So.
Wow, was he like a United States customer or?
Yeah. So U.S. buyer.
U.S. buyer.
And, yeah, really cool guy. He registered it, plans to drive it.
Wow, is he in California or?
Few different states.
Two different states.
So the car will probably move around a little bit. But
okay. So what's coming up next at the Top Rank Center?
We got some M-Spec NERs on the way. R34 GTR M-Spec NERs, which are eligible for show or display import. So we got a handful of them on the way over right now.
Wow. Yep. So is your location open to the public or by appointment? So how's that work?
We ask that you make an appointment. We are open every day except weekends, but it'd be great if you let us know you're going to stop by.
Okay, cool. Yeah. I'll probably have to stop by and visit you sometime, man.
Awesome, man. Yeah,
right.
stop by. Thank you.
It's golden era, but it's not quite vintage.
Almost there. Almost there.
So it's not here. I'm just here to appreciate everyone else.
Yeah, of course, dude. So your show's coming up though, huh?
There's a few. This year's gonna be good, man.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, man.
Looking forward to it, man.
Yeah, I'll see you around, guys.
Yep.
All right, man.
Alright, so the body is selling this stuff right here. right, guys, so I'm here with Big Mike, and this is his Toyota Corolla, and I think I seen it on Larry Chen's channel, right?
Yeah, so I'm Big Mike. I've been with the import crowd over 30 years. I've built so many of these cars. I have a few T27s. I currently work for an electric vehicle company called Rivian. So we are changing the world. And also, so this vehicle right here is a 1973 Toyota Corolla TE27.
Okay.
That is full FIA rally spec. It has a very rare 152 PRV race engine.
Okay.
That produces 300 horsepower.
Wow.
Red lights about 10,000 RPM. Everything inside is FIA spec. The seats, the steering, and the vintage rally computer for my navigator, which is my wife also.
Oh, the wife's the navigator.
Yeah. My navigator.
And didn't you have a green one too, or?
Yes, I also have a green one that's currently in Dubai in somebody's collection, borrowing it or leasing it from me. My current project right now, I have a 1967 Toyota Publica that I put a drag Suzuki Hayabusa race engine in.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is that going to be on the Larry Chen special too?
That's going to be a Larry Chen special.
Oh, I can't wait for that one then. Yeah. So, with this setup right here, are you done yet, or is there more to go still?
No, this thing's done.
This thing's done?
Finally, after 30 years.
No more money, huh?
After 30 years, this thing is done.
Done. Wow. And you drove it here, right?
Yeah, so it's driven. No, so it was actually trailered here.
Trailered here?
Because I could not get C16 race fuel last night to drive it here.
Oh, shoot.
But it's usually driven in the street.
Driven the streets?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you taken a rally racing yet, or?
Yeah, it's been several rallies, stage rally and things like that.
Wow, okay.
Testing up in the canyons.
Okay.
It really handles well. Power delivery is amazing.
Wow.
Power to weight ratio is amazing. It only weighs 2,000 pounds.
Wow.
300 horsepower.
Cool, man. Yeah. All right, Big Mike. Thanks for your for your time. I
Thank you.
appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright guys, so I am done for today. I wish I could stay a little bit longer and just talk to all the car owners and just hang out for a bit, but I gotta make it back to Fresno. Right now it's about 3 o'clock already, and to get to Fresno it's gonna be about a good 3 to 4 hour drive. So, and I'm not sure how traffic is right now too, so don't want to get home too late, because you know, driving that long stretch from Bakersfield to Fresno, it is kind of boring, so you do fall asleep, you know. So I try to avoid that. So I'm gonna head home right now. Probably gonna grab some fruit from that little fruit stand right there, and then head home. So I'll see you guys back in Fresno. Thanks for watching the channel. Hit the subscribe button yet if you haven't yet. If you did, thank you. I appreciate your support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.